Here we have City Set 5627 for ages 5 to 12. This actually was part of a free promotional offer in the UK and Ireland through the Daily Mirror of October 2008. The set consists of 23 individual components. We have some tools, a mattock and a power drill, one miniature figurine, and the digger actually has a fully adjustable front loader. I hope you've enjoyed this small miniature review of this small product. I hope you will subscribe to my channel, as I have many more products to bring to you. Thank you, bye bye.